Jesus had a responsibility. He was still to see for his mother. But even there hanging on that cross and praying, rejected, near death, he still saw that need for his mother. He looked to his disciple. John is their disciple. He said, John, get my mother. John, get my mother. I have to fulfill what my Father fulfilled, the will of God. Get my mother, John. John, get my mother. Now, Jesus showed that love doesn't stop because life is hard. Pain is not an excuse to stop loving. Pain is not an excuse to stop loving. Now, for some of us parents, our children hang us on the cross. Our children hang us on the cross as parents. But guess what? That pain doesn't overshadow love. That responsibility